Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to make its debut in July this year, and while official details remain undisclosed, leaks indicate that the device will introduce notable advancements in AI-driven features, camera technology, and overall performance. Over time, numerous concept designs have surfaced, some of which have captivated fans with their striking aesthetics. I have got two big updates, and the second one will surely make you say, "What? What the?" So hold on to the video for a moment, but before we dive in, please like and subscribe our channel. It really means a lot to us. Recently, tech concept designer Konstantin Milenin shared his vision for the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 on his X account, presenting a unique take on its design. Interestingly, this particular concept was also highlighted during discussions on the Nothing Phone 3A series design inspiration video. However, a key difference between the two lies in the camera placement. Milenin's concept arranges the three-camera setup in a triangular layout positioned at the top right corner of the back panel, whereas Nothing's internal design places all three lenses centrally. Milenin's concept remains true to Nothing's signature transparent aesthetic, bringing a fresh outlook while maintaining the brand's identity. The intricate patterns and geometric elements across the back panel give it a futuristic look, with the periscope-style zoom lens hinting at enhanced photography capabilities. The LED glyph interface, an iconic feature of Nothing devices, is beautifully integrated into the design, further elevating its visual appeal. The flat-edged frame with clearly defined buttons suggests a refined and premium build. If Nothing decides to adopt a similar approach, the Phone 3 could be one of the most visually compelling smartphones on the market. What's your take on this new design? Did you like it? Feel free to share in the comments below. Additionally, another important feature of the Nothing Phone 3 is the Essential key, which is similar to the action button on iPhones. However, this button will have a more significant role, as it will be optimized for AI-driven features, allowing users to customize it for various functions. This level of integration will make it stand out from Apple's action button, offering a more advanced and personalized experience. Now coming to the big yet shocking update. Reports suggest that Nothing could introduce a subscription model for essential space features on the Nothing Phone 3A series. A recent teardown of the latest Essential Space app from the Nothing Phone 3A series by Android Authority revealed multiple references to a free trial and AI credits. This suggests that users may have the option to test certain essential space features before a subscription fee is introduced. Additionally, the mention of AI credits hints at the possibility of a system where users can purchase credits to access specific AI-powered functions. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that all essential space features will require a subscription. Nothing could offer some features for free while keeping more advanced capabilities behind a paywall. One of the discovered strings states, "Start 1-year free trial," but this detail might change with future updates. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Will you pay for the essential space in Nothing phones? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.